One more question directed towards Rucha ma'am.
Mhm.
That what were your
Mhm.
preparations for the PhD course, and how did you selected the subjects for your research, and what were the challenges you faced during that time?
Okay. So, first of all, like when I came to US, I was still just planning to do masters, but I at least knew what courses I liked because after engineering, you get an idea what you like, right? What courses are your favorite? So I knew I liked thermodynamics and fluid mechanics. So I wanted to do research related to these areas. When I was looking at different professors in my universities, I looked at their websites, tried to read about what research they are doing. Then I found two, three professors whose research was interesting for me. And I went to talk to them. I talked to them. When you talk to them personally, you get to know more about what their recent projects are, what they are working with. And also, I asked them about what opportunities they had. So from that I decided like this professor or this working area was something I wanted to go with. And then I initially started just by doing very basic research in my professor's lab. He also sent me some papers which he had published previously. So I read through those papers. That helped me understand the basics of what work he's doing or what the basic research is. And at the same time, he also helped me decide what courses I should take during my master's. So, for example, some courses like microfabrication, because I was using microsystems, or use of microscopy, image analysis, or I did fluid mechanics. I took mechanics courses too. So I took courses in CFD. So these are some of the courses which he helped me decide to take. And when you start taking courses, you build some understanding on the subject, and it helps you with your research as well, because research mostly in the first year you don't do a lot of research. It is mostly just understanding the subject. Your research really starts after first year. And so yeah, that is how it is. A gradual process. You cannot figure it out right away, unless, I mean, if you have already done some research or you already have MTech or MS experience, maybe it's easier for you to figure out uh, about this. But in my case, I figured it out as I went.